The fun of a Murphy bed. There's a lot of assembly line things when you use a kit. I love this kit, the iSemble Murphy bed kit, but my favorite part are the front panels because you can go nuts. And I decided to go with a chevron pattern. I had some 6-foot long pieces. So normally a chevron is a 45 degree at the center to make a 90. But I changed the angle a little bit just so I would have less waste. So I knew I took 2 3-foot pieces on each panel and figured out what angle would minimize wood waste. Some beautiful maple here, and I chose maple because at the end you'll see I'm going to ebonize it. Ebonizing is just a process of starting the weathering of the wood, and then it stops it. It's beautiful how it turns out. I mill a 1/4 inch maple veneer to put over a 3/4 inch plywood core. I used a poplar core because I wanted it a little bit more lightweight with the maple. And here I am. I always cut the pieces just a hair long so I can trim it nice and flush to the core. So you get a nice even panel, and then you can trim out the sides and sand away. So you start at 80 to 100 grit, move all the way up to 220. Because we're ebonizing, we don't fill any brad nail holes or gaps. This client wanted a little bit more of a rustic look, which I like, but it hits the perfectionist in me. But it's fun to watch the wood ebonize to turn to the grays, blacks. Maple has a tint of blue too, which adds a little feminine touch. Just turned out gorgeous. Such a fun process customizing your Murphy bed with the front panels. And then it's just install day. Pretty slick how the kit works. You just attach the brackets and they slide in nice and slick. It's a beautiful addition to this guest room / office. It's crazy how much additional space a Murphy bed adds. Boom, now you have all that extra space. Love it. So I'll put a link below for all the tools that I use, like the Ryobi trim router, how to find the kit, and I'd love to see pictures if you guys do tackle this project. And we look back because we'll post the full video and some extra tricks and how-tos.